2012 RX 300. As one of the first entries in the crossover luxury SUV segment, the Lexus RX 300 provides a high seating position, available all-wheel drive, and generous cargo capacity, along with great fuel economy, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, compass, fog lights, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, navigation package, CD player, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power moonroof, remote keyless entry. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.